Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to the chat. It is Justice, your crypto analyst, and the market has been giving us good moves. The market has moved according to their previous forecasts on reaction to the market. The market has been moving according to how we forecasted it to go, and price actions on Bitcoin has really price action on Bitcoin has really been so intense. Now everyone was thinking Bitcoin was already bumping up. But remember I said something. I said we should wait for that retest. We should wait for that retest. That retest that would lead to the market enjoying what it's supposed to enjoy at the moment. And obviously the retest has started, and if I could say this is the end of the retest or this is not the end, this is the reason why this video is created, so you would understand if we are done retesting and we are back to pushing the market upwards, or we are not done retesting, we want to still go further down. So come with me as I show you some things. Now on the last video, you could remember I told us Bitcoin will first hit 22k, then approach 21, and it's already at 21k enjoying itself. This is a level to retest, and if you are shorting this market, you should be making good profit by now on the dailies. Then remember this sign, I said there will be a retest, boom, at this level, then shoot up. So I think it's safe for me to delete it now. Now if you did not see my last video, I'll be dropping a link at the description box below, so you could go check it out and understand what I said that could be the possible action of the market. So today we are moving on to something else, something a bit different from the normal. And what is that? We are to understand what particularly are we supposed to understand in this Bitcoin market, and what indicator do justice use to understand how well the market is playing out. Now, like as you always know, I use the Ichimoku cloud, and I have my own setup. Now I use my setup as 2060, 120 and 30. 2060, 120 and 30. This is just one of my secrets I'm unleashing to the public right now. Very good one. 20 for conversion line, 60 for base length, span B 120 and displacement 30. Now it gives me an accurate wider view of what the market is doing, of what price is saying. And I also use EMA ribbon. Now my EMA ribbon helps me to understand if the market has quickly changed or we are still in that flow. Yeah, the EMA ribbon helps me. Now, I'm not here to teach you how I use these indicators. I just showed you the indicators I use: EMA ribbon, Ichimoku, and RSI. And my RSI is just as it is. Now, I increased my my upper band has always been increased to 80, and my lower band 20. So that's just it. Sorry. So that's just what I do. I'm not here to teach you how I use them. If you want me to teach you how it's being used, fine. That will be taught on another class based on request. But for now, I'm just here to give you updates. And now these are the indicators I use in confirming my updates. And obviously, my Ichimoku cloud, my EMA ribbon is giving me the 200-day moving average at my EMA ribbon is giving me a massive support here. That is why there's this consolidation. It's giving me a massive support to say, so as to say, Bitcoin might hold this level for a while, and if the buyers step in a strong weight, Bitcoin could enjoy something as this. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, that was what I was looking for. Bitcoin could enjoy something as this. Yeah. So if the buyers should hold themselves strong in this market, Bitcoin could enjoy something as just coming a bit down and boom, shooting back up. But if the buyers might not hold themselves, if they don't hold themselves, Bitcoin might at the end of the day break down here. So why do I always drop this thing? Break down here to consolidate as this zone. So that is what it is on Bitcoin. So for the close of today, now let's give a good interpretation. I, Justice, would say today would continue in a consolidative manner. What is consolidating? See this short candle here, this other short candle, this other small candle. It will create another small candle today. So if I'm to say anything in counsel, I would advise don't really trade a particular direction too long on Bitcoin right now. Now let's go to the 1 hour to see if it might really go as I said. Okay, for now I should turn off these guys. Now, if it might really go as I said, nobody knows. So for the hourly, if we are to zoom in appropriately, we can see it's consolidating. You can see it's consolidating. Now, from the place the breakdown started from, it has not even approached the good level to retest it. The good level to retest it is at 22K. But based on what the indicators are telling us, based on computations from behind, there are so many reasons why it is at its level of retests right now, because it has already met with the indicator. And this size here already shows us that the volume, the momentum that are holding this market low is far better than the momentum to hold it high. And my EMA ribbon is there already shouting short, short, short. This market is short, this market is short, this market is short. And obviously it looks short, but consolidating. You understand? So if I were to give a counsel for today, observe the market. Don't really jump into trading. I myself have lost so much money for jumping into trades, jumping into trades, jumping into trades. Observe the market. Don't just jump. Observe. I repeat, observe. Don't just fly into the market. Don't just jump into trade. It is so risky. It is so risky. Now let me open some trades that I'm actively on. I'm badly losing one, and I think I'm doing well in the other one. So I think this is one. Now on this one, I'm standing at a loss right now. Standing at a loss. FET is going fine. This OP is doing well as well. So those are the three trades I'm on. One is losing, the other two are doing fine. And I'll be looking to enter more trades because I'm waiting to see the signal. I've seen most of the signals, but I have to wait. Now, this was a massive loss from my end, a very careless market. It was done last night, and see what happened. I lost. So, guys, it is what it is. You don't just fly into the market because you see your signal. You need to be sure it's what you've seen. You need to be sure. And how do I do it? Now, if I'm watching a market on 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, and 1 hour, I try to make entry at 30 minutes. I try to control my loss, that is my risk, to manage my risk by 30 minutes. I could set my take profit levels through 1 hour to 4 hours. But you see, risk management, it is more advisable, profitable to set your risk at your time frame of entrance. So guys, that is it about Bitcoin today. The concept for today is wait, just hold on to see what today might look like. before you move into trading. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.